Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to go incognito in Brave. All right. You actually have two options or two ways. So the first option is by going to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. And as you can see here, you have two options right here as well. So new private window and the new private window with Tor. Okay. So for example, new private window right here, as you can see here, we have the basic incognito option. Okay. You can just go out and type down whatever you want right here and it won't be saved under your search history. Okay. So with Tor here as well, this is Tor. And it says here, Brave doesn't store browsing activity from private windows. And with Tor connectivity, it becomes more difficult for sites to see your true IP address and for network observers to see what sites you visit. Okay, just wait for it to fully connect. And once done, you can now go ahead and look for whatever you want. Okay, so you can see here it now says Tor connected. Now, another option to open up a new private window just by clicking Control plus Shift and N on your keyboard. There you go. Again, Control Shift plus N. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.